Auzubillahiminash-shaytanir-rajeem. Bismillahir-Rahmanir-Rahim. My name is Mehreen Qasim and I am from PMEI school system. Today's video is about grammar part 2, abstract and plural forms from unit number 1, simplicity and humility of Hazrat Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam. Today we are going to discuss abstract noun. What are abstract nouns? Abstract nouns deal with mental ability and it don't has physical appearance. An abstract noun is a noun that names an idea, event, quality or concept. सिंपली हम कह सकते हैं कि एब्स्ट्रैक्ट नाउन जो है वो फिजिकल जो है वो एग्जिस्ट नहीं करता. फिजिकल, इट डजेंट हैव अ फिजिकल बॉडी. बस हमारे जहन में उनका एक आइडिया होता है. फिजिकल एग्जिस्ट नहीं करते और हमारे 5 सेंसेस को जो है ये परसीव नहीं कर सकते. ओके. Abstract nouns are opposite of concrete nouns. Point number 1. ये opposite हैं concrete noun के. Can only be thought of or felt. Cannot be seen or touched. An idea is a thought. Happiness is a feeling. Fear, anger, hate, love, etc. Kindness is a quality. Laughter is an action. Beauty is a state of being. So we can say कि abstract nouns are words that name ideas, ख्यालात, feelings एहसासात, experiences तजर्बात, qualities खुसूसियात and concepts और नज़रियात को कहा जाता है, यानी abstract nouns. Okay? If we'll say कि abstract nouns and concrete nouns जो हैं इनमें डिफरेंस क्या है, तो दे बोथ आर ऑपोजिट टू ईच अदर. If we compare these both to each other, so we will definitely know the difference between these two. If we are talking about concrete noun, तो concrete noun has a physical body, while abstract noun has not. Concrete nouns can be seen, देखा जा सकता है इनको, but abstract noun cannot be seen. Concrete noun can be touched, while abstract noun cannot be. Concrete noun can feel, but they cannot. Concrete noun can be smell, but they cannot. I'm giving you some example like stool, door, pen, chair, laptop, wire, etc. These are all concrete nouns. They have physical bodies. You can touch them easily, you can see them easily. 5 सेंसेस के साथ जो है डील करते हैं. आप इनको देख भी सकते हैं, छू भी सकते हैं, इनसे काम कर सकते हैं, राइट? बट एब्स्ट्रैक्ट नाउन्स आर दोज नाउन्स जिनको वी कैन नॉट सी, हेयर, टच, टेस्ट और स्मेल. दीज आर द कॉन्सेप्ट्स. इफ आई से जेनरोसिटी, चैरिटी, डेमोक्रेसी, लव, फ्रीडम, पेन, एंगर, राइट? इनकी फिजिकल बॉडी नहीं है, एग्जिस्ट नहीं करते ये, right? We have some more examples here. Courage, freedom, progress, love, patience, friendship, and excellence. I'm giving you some examples in a form of sentences like, he was given an award for his courage. Courage. His art teacher applauded his creativity. Creativity, quality, again quality. Your friendship is precious to me. Friendship. Pakistan got freedom from British rule in 1947. Freedom. She thought that happiness is the most important thing. Happiness. He was awarded for his bravery. Bravery. So creativity, freedom, happiness, honesty, kindness, love, pride, truth, hate, laughter. These are the examples of abstract nouns. Examples are given in these slides are success, intelligence, and etc. So, what are abstract nouns? Abstract nouns are nouns that name ideas, feelings, experiences, qualities, and concepts. They don't have the physical body, right? It deals with mental ability. ये सारी की सारी चीज़ें, जितने भी हमने नेम्स शेयर किए हैं, जितने भी एग्जाम्पल्स शेयर किए हैं, ये सारे के सारे जो हैं फिज़िकल एग्जिस्ट नहीं करते हैं, राइट? इसीलिए जो है हम इनको कहते हैं कि ये एब्स्ट्रैक्ट नाउन्स में फॉल करते हैं. Our next topic is plural nouns. What are plural nouns? Some nouns change their meanings in the plural form. जब हम कुछ nouns को उनकी plural form में change करते हैं तो वो अपना meaning जो है वो change कर लेते हैं, right? Like arm is a part of body, bazu, while arms means weapons. By putting s, it has changed its meaning. Similarly, there are some more nouns that have different meanings when they are used in singular or plural form. For example, good and goods. Good mean correct, proper, suitable, acha, he's a good boy. Goods, cargo, load, freight means ashiya. So you can make good, simple and easy sentences from these words given in the slide. They sell their goods to the market. They need markets to sell goods in an stable currencies. The goods arrive by sea. We don't carry leather goods. Next one is wood and woods. Wood means timber, right? Lakdi, and woods mean forest, woodland. So you can make sentences. The wood burns. The wood floats on the water. I would like to chop wood. And woods mean jungle, small forest, woodland, right? His house is near the woods. She walked in the woods. I saw some flowers in the woods. Spectacle and spectacles. Spectacle mean nazara, sight, vision, view, while spectacles mean glasses. So you can make a sentence of spectacle, you are making a spectacle of yourself, or it was a spectacle not to be missed. The sunset was a stunning spectacle. And spectacles, he polished his spectacles with a handkerchief. Character and character. Character mean conduct and characters mean role. Manner and manners. Manner mean a method, tarika, a mode, and manners mean etiquette, adab. Force mean power or strength, while forces mean army and manpower. Right? These are the words with their plural forms. एंड व्हाट आर प्लूरल नाउन्स? वो नाउन्स जो जिनको हम प्लूरल में चेंज करते हैं, कन्वर्ट करते हैं, तो वो अपना मीनिंग चेंज कर लेते हैं. द मीनिंग्स आर गिवन हेयर. व्हाट यू आर गोइंग टू डू, यू आर गोइंग टू मेक simple, easy and meaningful sentences from these all words. Thank you so much. This is it for today.